Hi, thanks for checking out this video. I just have a few things I wanted to share with you, unboxing my 2024 Hobonichi orders and comparing it with some items that I got from 2023. So if you're curious to see, stick around. Thank you. So I placed this order right when Hobonichi opened, and that was October 31st at 10 p.m. for me. The package arrived on the 6th of September, so that was actually really fast. So for 8 days, I haven't been able to unpack this because, well, life. So without much planning, here I am doing an unboxing. So I apologize for any lighting and audio mishaps. Okay, so these are the accessories that I got. I got the book because, the notepad, because I missed out on the cover. Just a couple of these. I didn't use it last year, but they're good for trackers. Got these notebooks. I use them a lot. So this is just the regular cover, like just regular notebook, but it has the TRP 7 paper. I just got more of these, and this is the double stick tape that you can put it in your techo, so you can always have, like, if you don't bring any washi tape with you or anything, this double stick tape is really good for posting anything on your techos. I've got the covers, the cover on cover Han cover for the Han A5. More cover, A6 and weeks. So A6 cover on cover. This is the weeks, and this is the new cover for this year. Sorry, I'm losing light. And I got an A6. A couple more A6 size. This is for these notebooks. I've got 4 of these little things, these little freebie bags, which I'll open in a little bit. And this I got for the A6 that I ordered. I really like it because it matches the freebie pen so well. I had the light blue last year. Really cute. I love the color. I love this green. Sorry, I just had to add more light. So here's this one for the A6. And then other things, the folders. I think you've seen these from other unboxing, A6 and A5. With this design. I got all 3 sizes, all 3 of the writing boards that they have out today. I mean this year for 2024. So this I love. Actually, I'm gonna open it. Because I really love the design, and this so pretty. Coincides with, I think it does, last year's design with the Tokyo metronome, I think. Oh, it actually, I don't know, kind of goes together, I think. Oh, it has the same vibe, but it's really cute. So yeah, so this is last year's design for a cover. I managed to get this in A5 and A6 last year. I was hoping to get the other one this year, but it sold out pretty quickly, so this I like. And then this Aurora one, this design came out last year. It was in a weeks design. I didn't get any because I was using a Weeks Mega and it did not come in Weeks Mega. I did get the notebook, so there's the notebook. What I love about this notebook is there's the friend that was gonna relieve, take over the shift from this guy. So in the inside, they have coffee together. So sweet. Anyway, there you go. And of course, this one is this year's design. Which I'm surprised it's not part of the week's design this year. But it's very sweet. I love it. Okay, so that's all the accessories. I think that's it as far as accessory goes. For the techos, for the Weeks Mega, I decided on this gray. I was glad to see something in the Mega that is a muted color versus I had a lime green, neon green last year, which is not my favorite. So I use a Mega on top of an A5. The box for this year. Some people got, look how they packed it. It's like busting. Some people said that, I guess some people are getting a smaller box. But this is, in comparison, this is the one from last year. It's the same. And let's see. All right, so I'm pretty sure we have all seen this quote. Let's get everything out. I love this year's color for the freebie pens. Okay, so of course, the pen looks really awesome. It goes really well with a lot of their items. I mean, good design, I think. And just a reminder, last year's pen looks like this. The year before, 2022, 23, 24. Okay. So this, the book. Oh gosh, this one I love. I'm glad. I know I used Weeks, but I couldn't pass up on this beautiful design. Maybe I should have been more careful opening it up. I just ripped out the plastic without care. This is holographic there, as you can see. That's very nice. Very, very glad about this purchase. I think I'll just collect this. And of course, this is the Hon A6. For my sister. She loves botanicals, she loves to garden, and this is gonna be mine. I love it. I love that it's blue. Last year they had a bow and tie bunny. This is last year. I was lucky enough to purchase it when it came out. I think it was October last year, like soft release. And this pattern too. This was from last year. So I know I just bought it because it was so pretty, but how nice would it have been if they also had this? So with the sorry, it's a little loud. So this is going to be what I'm going to use in 2024. I'm worried about the paper because I didn't like it from last year. But this pen, how cute. What a cute stack, right? And maybe, I don't know. But that's something to use. Very nice. Love it. I actually have a second order coming up. I just ordered more of, I ordered a regular A5 cousin because I wasn't sure if I actually want to use this or just collect it for the pattern. I don't know yet, but a bunch of accessories too. I was seeing other people's unboxing in the drawer pouches and things like that, so that's coming up for me as well. Ordered more notebooks and everything, so I think that's it. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys these double stick tape that I was talking about. That is really convenient. So it comes like this, so you can actually just put one of these in, you know, anything, travel company notebook or whatever, just put it in a little slot, thing, and it's like double stick tape. So, and then the top part peels, and you can, that's how you can conveniently paste anything on your techo. And it comes with a lot, so it's very convenient. It was only like $3 on the site, so it's a good filler, I think, filler order. So anyways, okay, so at the bottom of the box I just found 2 more. I've forgotten about it. So as far as the notebook goes, I had 2 of the regular, 2 of the printed one. I don't know why I only have 1 of these. I must have forgotten to add another. But anyway, so sorry, I had to move the light, reposition the lights as well because it's really bad glare. So let's see what I got. The freebie bag. I'm hoping for the blue one. Looks like. Okay, cute. Pretzel. All right, a lot of people are looking for this pretzel. I'm willing to switch with someone if anyone is interested. Yep. Looking for a blue one, I'm hoping. Let's see. Oh, all right. So if anyone is interested to swap with me, I'm looking for the blue onigiri bag. I'm willing to let go of any one of these if anyone is interested. All right, that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me for unboxing all these things and making a whole mess with different lightings and all that shenanigans. So sorry about all that. Thanks for bearing it all with me anyway. So that's my final stack for the next year. Hopefully it works out and I don't change my mind. So all right, thank you guys.